Yo, what's good, fam? We're like 3.5 months out from the iPhone 17 drop, and today we're talking battery life on the Pro Max. And trust me, it's gonna blow your mind. So first up, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is actually thicker than the 16 Pro Max. Now, that might sound meh, but hear me out. More thickness, more space for a bigger battery. Apple might finally break the 5,000 mAh barrier. Yeah, bigger than the 16 Pro Max, and maybe even better than the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life. That's wild. Second, they're dropping a new OLED display that's way more efficient. So when you're scrolling TikTok or gaming late night, your battery won't cry as fast. Third, we're getting the A19 Pro chip built on TSMC's 3nm tech, meaning it's not only faster, but sips power like a pro. Efficiency and speed? Sign me up. Fourth, Apple's making their own 5G and Wi-Fi 7 communication chip, building on the C1 chip from last year that already helped battery life. This move means less juice drained while you're streaming or browsing. And the wildest rumor? A carbon battery, like some crazy thin and efficient tech others are trying out. Imagine that inside the thicker body, combined with all the upgrades, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be a beast for battery life. Release? Most likely September 2025, classic Apple time. Price? Still sketchy with tariffs and all that political drama, but expect around $1,000 for the base Pro and $1,200 for the Pro Max if things stay chill. So, what you think? Is the iPhone 17 Pro Max gonna be the battery king? Drop your thoughts below, smash that subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for more. Peace out.